The patient I want to describe to you and introduce to you today is a fellow named Joe. I really think his story is compelling because Joe is a young man. He's in his late 20s now. He saw me about 6 years ago. He had a lot of hair loss, and he knew he was having hair loss and was bothered by it. And his solution ultimately was to shave his head. He felt very self-conscious because he felt that the hair being buzzed down to the skin made him look very aggressive and sort of held him back at work.
Prior to this procedure, I was always nervous about my hair, or lack thereof. I was always shaving it all the time, thinning out really bad on top. Things have changed dramatically, so much for me in the past 8 months since I've had this procedure done.
So ultimately, 6 years after first meeting Joe, he did have a transplant with me. We did an FUE procedure where we take the hairs out one by one, by one, by one from the back, and we implanted it in a very natural way in the front. And so the transformation for Joe has really been remarkable.
I just feel like a completely different person, so much more extroverted now. I love it. I just love this procedure. I had thought about this procedure for a long time, and I'm absolutely so happy that I finally decided to go through with it. Couldn't be happier. Things are great at work, at home, everything is just fantastic. Love my hair.
If anyone's on the fence about a procedure like this, maybe had thought about it in the past, or maybe you never even thought that you had an option, I certainly highly recommend Dr. Boden here. He was amazing through the whole entire process. Couldn't be happier with my results.
It brings a lot of joy and gratification to me when I have patients come back and tell me how hair transplant has really changed their life.